there's going to be position 0, 1, 2, and 3. You see the time for regular maintenance is on. Right now my key position is at 0. I'm going to turn it to position 1. I'll turn on this light. And then right now my T1 is at 309.3. I'm going to go ahead and shoot, it already reset it. Sorry about that. I wanted to do this in one clean cut. I held onto the button too long and it reset the trip meter. However, that's not important. It doesn't matter if the trip is at 0. What's more important is the sequence of events and the timing. So let's try this again. You have it in position 1, you go to T1 so you can take a look. You push the button to hold it, go to position 2. And then as soon as it starts blinking like that, you have to release it. Don't wait for it to blink 3 times. And then your service message should have no message. It should be reset. There's a time interval that you're supposed to release the button. And if you hold it too long again, it's not going to work correctly. Although this was a very short video, many people were asking for this information. I hope I was able to help some of the viewers out there. And please go ahead and share, like, and subscribe. Thanks.